Fried rice is ready? There you go. Super quick, super fast. Guys, now I'm inside a veg restaurant in Mumbai and they are making fried rice. He's added chopped carrots and French beans. ये French bean और गाजर डाला ना? He's added carrot and French beans. There's veg fried rice coming up. The Indian version.
Chinese.
Indo-Chinese fried rice. You have to roast that in oil and 1 bowl of boiled rice
Onion powder.
and spring onion green. To roast it. ये क्या डाला आपने?
Namak
He's added salt
powder.
and
Kala Mirt powder.
white pepper
White
and aromatic powder, seasoning powder. And whoa, look at him go. Super fast, super quick. Fried rice is ready? There you go. Super quick, super fast, tasty, tempting, alluring.